So first of all, we will see what is the couple. When equal and opposite forces acts on the system, when equal and opposite forces acts on the system, then certain vertical change takes place, and that change is a twisting, and that twisting action takes place. Now we will see it in this article, couple for twist of cylinder. So couple is nothing but the opposite forces, but they are equal in magnitude. Now we are considering here a cylinder which having two ends. Of the two ends of cylinder, upper end is kept fixed, while lower end is free. It can move either in the either direction. So lower end is being twisted as shown in figure after the application of force F. Here AB is axis around which lower end is twisted after applying force F. You are observing in the diagram, line BC remains unchanged. Point C remains as it is, while point D is shifted to new position at point E, you observe in the diagram, and makes an angle theta at point A. While vertical movement angle, that is the shear angle, phi, is created at point C. Now arc D is given as D is equal to L into phi is equal to r theta. As you can see in the diagram, where L is length of the cylinder, here phi is angle of twist. So face BADC, you can see in the diagram, BADC changes and forms a new face BAEC. So shear strain for the section is phi, and phi is equal to r theta divided by capital L. Here, after applying force at lower end of cylinder, change in base area takes place. Now we will see about tangential stress. Tangential stress, which is denoted with the letter capital T, which is equal to force divided by base area of shell. Now already we are familiar that stress is the ratio of force and area. So therefore capital T is equal to force divided by 2 pi r dr. Now we will consider modulus of rigidity. So modulus of rigidity eta is equal to tangential stress divided by shear strain. Hence T divided by phi is equal to F divided by twice r dr pi into L divided by theta r. From this, eta is equal to FL divided by twice pi r square dr. Now the moment of force about the axis of rotation AB is given as dt is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Here dt is equal to F multiplied by r. From that, dt is equal to twice pi eta theta divided by L into r cube into dr. Total moment of force required to twist the whole of the cylinder is to integrate between the limit r is equal to 0 to r is equal to small a. Therefore, T is equal to within the limit integration of 0 to a dt is equal to twice pi eta theta divided by L into 0 to a integration of r cube into dr. So after the solving this integration, we will get t is equal to 2 pi eta theta divided by capital L into a raised to 4 divided by 4, and which is equal to pi eta a raised to 4 divided by twice L into theta. So this is about the couple for twist, as we have seen couple of twist error.